Hey, good people. How you doing? This is Chris Ogene over at Fitzgerald Toyota, reporting for the YouTube channel Chris Sells Cars. And I have a delight for you. This one is a brand new 2025, completely redesigned Toyota 4Runner. And this one is in limited with the third row. All right, it's a little bit rare for you to find the 4Runner with a third row, but this one is brand new from the factory, and this one is in the midnight black metallic, and it has the bright alloy wheels right there, as well as the black fender flares that have the air displacement system to cool down the pressure in the wheel well and provide aerodynamics. It also has the front parking sensors on the vehicle. It has the signature 4Runner LED headlights. It also has the strip style LED fog lights. All right, you can see the parking sensors, air displacement system, the LED fog lights, as well as the air dam. There's an air dam on the front that aids in the aerodynamics of the vehicle and also prevents debris from getting under the undercarriage. It also has the 360 bird's eye view right here and a radar behind this flat panel that co-witnesses with a tiny camera at the top of the windscreen to form your lane tracing assist function. The front grille area has some chrome on it, as well as a faux skid plate on the front. Okay, come over here, you can see again signature LED headlights, air displacement system. This one has the signature mud flaps as well as the running board, wide textured running board. You can see the limited badging, 360 bird's eye view on both side mirrors, as well as your blinking lane change indicators. This one has the rain sensing wipers. It also has door edge guards to prevent chips and dings on the sides of the door. It has the dimple right here for your keyless remote access into the vehicle. It has a blind spot monitor in both side mirrors, heated mirrors. Come here on the inside, you have beautiful power chair with the lumbar support, heated and ventilated leather in the vehicle right there. You can see your moonroof, as well as your other controls. It has power for the AC unit. I don't mean air conditioning, but your grounded outlet in the back of the vehicle, lighting for the back of the vehicle, memory setting for up to 2 drivers. This one comes with the carpet mats on the vehicle. I'm gonna get inside here so you can see the massive 14-inch touchscreen right there. And it has the backup camera right there with the projected path. So you have your 360 bird's eye view and you have your projected path as well if you're backing up. This vehicle also has the digital rear view mirror, so it is not obstructed by anything happening inside the cabin, and you can put it in analog mode as well. And there you can see what's going on inside the vehicle as well as outside the vehicle. It has the SOS button for your connected services, your remote connect, safety connect, service connect. The vehicle can remote start as well. And it also has the JBL sound system throughout the vehicle. All right, premium JBL sound system throughout the vehicle. Carpet mats throughout the vehicle. It has the door cage for you to keep some of your belongings in there. You can see the JBL sound system throughout the vehicle. It does have both heated and cooled seats. It also has the heated steering wheel if you need it as well. It has the wireless Qi charger for you to charge your devices, and it has your different drive modes, your 4-wheel drive high and low. It also has your tow and haul, your different drive modes, and then your tow controls right here, and the 360 bird's eye view button there. You just push that button and it pans around the vehicle. The vehicle also has automatic braking. It also has pedestrian detection, bicyclists detection, infrared light that comes out of the camera at night, and there you have your 360 bird's eye view right there. All right, very, very nice vehicle for anybody who appreciates an SUV with a lot of space in it. This is great for families. This is an 8-seater. Imagine that. A luxury SUV that you can take off-road and sits 8 people. All right, that's 3 in the back there, 2 in the front. And then I'm gonna go to the back seat area so you can see it as well. Again, memory setting for up to 2 drivers. Come to the back here, and in the back you can see ample seating for up to 3 adults. Your AC vents right there, USB-C, and then you have the 3-prong outlet right there, grounded outlet, magazine pockets in the back there. And here you have your 3rd row. All right. All right, show you. So that's your 3rd row right there. I'm gonna come to the back here. You can see the rear bumper is very, very beefy. You can even stand on it. You can see the 4Runner mud flaps right there. Your rear parking sensors on the back. Integrated hitch with the harness. That's your wiring harness and your hitch. That's your spare tire under there. 1-touch opening in the back. You can see the 2 cameras. One is your backup camera, one is your 360 bird's eye view camera. 1-touch opening in the back there. You can see the 4Runner badging, and you can see your 3rd row up here. All right. You have your 3rd row with the headrests. Up to 3 people in the back there. So this is an 8-seater, and you still have enough space to put suitcase, duffel bags. You have tie downs in the back as well, and then your JBL sound system in the back as well. If you'd like this in your driveway, it also has the kick sensor. All right. If you'd like this in your driveway, you want to call Chris Ogene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. Again, this is the brand new 2025 completely redesigned Toyota 4Runner. This one is in the limited trim with midnight black metallic, and it has the 3rd row. All right. So if you want this in your driveway, call Chris Ogene at 202-607-9517. This is going to go very quickly. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.